Momentum is real, but so is stagnation. Which one are you fueling? Well, energy follows energy, so let's figure out what that means for your business. Hey, Savvy Bookkeepers, it's Trudy from Maven. Let's talk about momentum and why your business may feel stuck and sluggish, or maybe it's suddenly soaring. There's a reason for it, because energy follows energy. And the energy you lead with, that's the energy you attract more of. But first, please take a quick second and hit that like button. That'll help keep us going. So, what does energy follows energy actually mean? It means that wherever you're putting your attention, your time, your emotion, your frustration, your excitement, you're feeding that path, and that energy multiplies. So when you're obsessed over a difficult client, you start seeing problems everywhere. When you're getting excited about a new lead source for a streamlined system, suddenly more ideas show up. The right people respond and referrals flow. It isn't magic, it's management. You're directing your energy whether you intended to or not. And this is where you get stuck in your business, by diverting that energy to tasks that shouldn't need doing in the first place. Following up for payments that you shouldn't have to chase, bending over backward for low-value clients, holding on to old tech, habits, or systems that no longer serve your business, revisiting the same stressors month after month without change. These things don't just cost time, they steal momentum. They say, this is what I allow, so this is what I attract. And this is where energy moves freely and multiplies. Saying no faster, building systems instead of excuses, showing up at networking with curiosity instead of desperation, scheduling time for strategy, not just scrambling. The bookkeepers who grow, they aren't working more hours, they're just redirecting their energy more intentionally. They've learned this. Energy doesn't just follow energy, it actually mirrors it. So here's your Maven move this week. Ask yourself, where am I spending most of my energy with no return? What's the emotional tone I bring each day? Is it frantic, resentful, hopeful, focused? Where have I been waiting for something to change that I haven't taken action on? Then reclaim one energy leak. Fire a client, delete a tool that slows you down, say no to the wrong opportunity so that you're open for the right one. Because if energy follows energy, then today's momentum is tomorrow's income. Remember, you don't need to hustle harder. You need to point your energy towards what fuels you and then let it echo. So let's audit and assess. Make sure you download our Where's My Energy Going worksheet, which is right down in the description below, so that you can assess and audit your own energy patterns. And make sure you hit subscription button now so that you don't miss what's next. Speaking of which, up next, stop resisting in-person networking. You're going to hear me say this again and again and again. It's a non-negotiable. We're going to show you why. I'll see you there.